Hey everyone, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, Writer Crafts in my pajamas. I just wanted to do a really quick haul for you. I just grabbed this stuff at Dollar Tree and a couple other places and just wanted to show you really quick what I got before I start crafting. So this will be a real short video, but just in case you want to run out and pick this stuff up. Oh my goodness, Brie's guitar is right there on the floor with the piggy. But anyway, so in case you want to go run and pick these things up, I'll be using these soon in some crafting videos. Probably not all of it right away, but you know how it goes. Pretty soon, because some of it is for Easter and whatnot. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the few more expensive items that I picked up. This is from Hobby Lobby. I think it is so cute. We actually just put up some shelves in our living room and I needed a few more things to decorate them. So I thought this was so pretty and it was half off. So $13.99, so it was like $7. And then this one was not on sale, but I actually needed, I have the word home up there and I needed an O still, and they didn't have the same letters from before. And so I just grabbed this to use for the O. It was full price at $13.99, which I wouldn't usually pay, but I really need an O, and I thought this would be perfect because it kind of goes with the colors and everything. And I went to use my 40% off coupon that they have on the website, and the guy was like, oh, we actually discontinued the coupon. And I was like, what? Anyway, that's okay. I really needed that. And then this is actually from Walmart. It is a concrete pot, and I guess it doesn't have the price on there, but it was like $6 or $7, which again is a little more than I like to pay, but it's actually a really good size. And again, using this for our new shelves. So on to the Dollar Tree stuff here. I got 4 of these canvases. Yes, for the wood frames. I'm going to be making something fun with that for spring. And they have these really cute window type things. I don't know what they're called, but so cute. It's pretty small, but I think it would be really fun for like a spring DIY. Grabbed 2 of these rope things. I have a project coming up with these. And hopefully I will have enough to just only use one, and then I can throw the other one into the giveaway stuff. Sorry if you can hear the lawn people outside. But I am doing a giveaway when I get to 20,000 subscribers. I'm very close to 19,000 right now. So if you guys enjoy my content, make sure to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. Share my videos with your friends and family if you think they'd like it too. And as soon as we get to 20K, I will be doing a big giveaway. I've been collecting things over the past, I don't know, month or so now already. So this guy is super glittery just from where he was sitting in Dollar Tree. But I always grab these succulents when I see them. These are my favorite kind. They look the most real to me. Some of the other ones seem a little cheap and fake. And this specific one, I just love it. So I always grab it when I see it. And I will be throwing 1 or 2 of these guys into the giveaway as well. I've been collecting them. Next, they had these, I think it's like a coaster, but I just thought it was so pretty and I could use the frame for something, and this as well. This is like porcelain or something, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, for a DIY. And then next they had this really pretty ribbon. So I grabbed one of those, one of these, because I have not found these previously at my Dollar Tree. And then this good old one, I always grab when I see it because they run out a lot. Next, I have this cotton yarn or whatever it is. I had a white one of these that I grabbed last time. I went to see if there was more, and there was not. But I grabbed this because it is perfect for a spring DIY that I have coming up. Whoa. And then I grabbed this. I think this is back from Valentine's Day, but I really wanted it for the arrow. And you will see what I do with that soon. And then this one, the Home Sweet Home. I am going to DIY this a little bit, but I really liked the galvanized part right here. It's real galvanized metal. At least it's real metal, I think. Anyway, yeah, grab that one. So cute. They had different sayings too. And then they had these, which I was really surprised to see. I don't know if you can even see that very well. But it says welcome, and I don't know, it looked to me kind of like something you might see at the Target dollar spot, but I grabbed it. It's pretty on its own, but I'm going to DIY this up a little bit to make it more fun. And then here I have this dangly Easter sign, which I will probably be using later, not for Easter. And then, of course, you gotta grab these when you see them for the galvanized bunny. And you can pull that right off and use it on a DIY as well. And then we'll use the sign later, I'm sure. But that's all I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. Like I said, hopefully we can get to 20,000 subscribers soon, because I am just piling on to the stuff for the giveaway, and I'm super excited to do that for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Did you get it? Well, you gotta do it a little bit harder, I think. Knock it on here a little bit harder, okay? Okay. Good, good. Okay, is it open? Go ahead. See. Did you do it? Yeah. Good job. Keep it over here so we don't make a mess, okay? You did so good. Great job.